All right, we are back again. This video is for students, engineering graduates, or fourth year and third year engineering college students who are hoping to get a tech job in these times. This is 2024 and you want to get a tech job. You want to get an AI ML job. You are that little stupid guy who is buying courses. Who is who is buying courses? Who is actually clicking on the ads? You are clicking on the YouTube ads. You are buying those little courses for 199, 299 just to get a job. You're going to your local areas for certifications of random certifications just to get a job. I never knew it actually. I thought this practice used to be long back, but then some people in the comment section said that they're actually buying paid courses and buying paid courses for skills, for certifications. You're doing it all wrong. I'm going to give you certain tips which will definitely help you to get a job after you pass out, and you can use those tips and you can choose not to use those tips. It's up to you. First thing I want to tell very clearly, tech jobs are gone. There are no more tech jobs. Yes, there are no more tech jobs. There are no more tech jobs. Yeah, you will Google search Python developer. You will Google search any developer which you wanna, any language, and then the developer. There will be jobs there. Try to apply over there. Try to apply over there. See the email rejection you will get. They will not even see your resume. And I'm not even talking about freshers. For those, they will like discard, auto discard. Their AI will discard that resume. In your college, there will be elites. Those elite class of people would be those who have really worked with huge amount of passion. Nothing against them. You guys deserve the best. And those are the elite class of people who have passion for a particular programming language. Cobalt, Java, JavaScript, Angular, any website building language, any language. They have the passion that they wake up, they create more, they have notes, they revise those notes. They practice code in lead code almost every day, every alternate day. Those are elites. We are not talking about that because they will realize what they are going into only after they are laid off. This is not Taiwan. This is not China. This is India. You will work only when there is a project. If there is no project, you will be moved on. See 2023 what happened? They picked up those IIT graduates and IIM graduates and snooped them away because there was no project. Hey, who's going to pay you 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs, 40 lakhs even, 30 lakhs even, when there is no project? You are on bench. There is a little intern who's going to do the same amount of code by copying pasting from Gen AI. Why would they hire you? Why is there need for a 30, 40 lakh rupees graduate hire, new hire, when the code is already there? We are not going to talk about those elites. They have their own ways to get things done and we respect them and we give them that little bit of respect and keep them away. We bow in front of them and we say thank you. We are talking about the average student, average college students like you, like me. What you're going to do so as to secure one starting job. And you may choose these steps and you can ignore if you don't want to. The second you are passed out, the second you are passed out from your college, you receive your degree, that date, that time is the time when your timer starts. If you apply for TCS, you're gonna there is a section in their TCS site which says do you have a gap in your education degree or the time after passing out from college? It gets counted. Now you can say something like you're doing MBA and all those things, it still gets counted. What you have to do, see, your resume looks like a kiddie baby resume. Your name beautifully written, Anjali Rawat, beautiful phone number, address, current address, present address, hobbies, shopping cart list, project work done, internship from Wipro, 99% in 10th, 11th, 12th. That's how your resume looks like for a fresher. Yeah. Throw that resume away, man. Tear off that resume in 4 pieces and throw it away. Be honest with your resume. Try this once. By being honest doesn't mean that you have to spill every beans. No. By being honest, you really have to be decisive that what kind of jobs you're applying to. If you're applying for a .NET, for a C# developer, there is a requirement for C# developer. It's huge amount of experience has been asked in the job description now. And in your resume, you have nothing about C#, just one skill C#. That's it. Who's going to take that resume? Nobody's going to take that resume. Nobody will take that resume. If the position requires certain level of skills and languages, it is expected that that the resume should have projects and something done on that. Hey, you are not right. You are writing Udemy certification. What's that? Now there is going to be certain section of people who are not good in coding. Okay, I'm talking about those sections which are average and below average. There is nothing bad about it. I started my whole journey without knowing any coding skills as well. Now I'm doing a GenAI project. It's very scary, but what to do? So what are you going to do? There are several jobs where you do not have to be a hardcore coder. Times are changing. Tech jobs are gone. Okay, there are no tech jobs now. There is no tech. Hey, hardcore tech job. He works in this hardcore tech job company, code development. No, we want somebody. Not we. Like companies want somebody who can do everything for them. Today he's a Java developer. Tomorrow he can do Angular website development. And then after that he's going to do Python development. Then there is going to be any programming language, any word you pick up in the bag and throw it away in a hat, magician's hat, you show, and that guy should be able to do it. That's what the value of engineer is. Your life will not be stable in that programming language thing. The elite guy is going to manage somehow. You will not be able to manage it. You will not be able to survive. You will be laid off like that. You yourself will leave the company. You have to find the type of job which is low code or no code. Power Automate, Power Apps, Power BI. Be a Power BI developer. Watch a 6-hour video on YouTube. Power Apps. You have to make Canvas app on Power Apps. Power Automate. Yeah. You have to drag and drop, create little boxes and use functions. RPA, Robotic Process Automation. Blue Prism is the application. UiPath is the application. Google it. Watch a few videos of UiPath development, how automation has been done. This whole tech is about automation. 90% of the things which you have to do while you're working will be automation. Using some scripts. What to automate? What companies are actually automating things are they? The clients, the companies have a lot of processes. Like, for example, in a very simple way, your boss has to send happy birthday to all the employees whose birthday falls today. Okay, like CC all the employees and keep the person whose birthday is for today. So he will do it manually, let's suppose, but through a program, through automation, through tools, everything is going to be done through automation. So this is what automation is in a simple language. Tools to perform automation are Blue Prism,